Okay, and really now we have really excellent key lock solver, and this is like Makita's battery based angle grinder, and there we have this cutting disc. And now I think that this my very basic steering wheel teeth key lock, it is too easy for this device, because this device is so powerful. And next, my friend, you can think that how many seconds it takes that I cut this my steering wheel lock in here, and okay, and now my steering wheel key, and now we can look that how durable these things are. There is this steel bolt what was inside in here, and when I cut those both, it goes really nice away. And now this part, there is this another steel bar. But what we can think, this steering wheel key locks protection. Now it is really low if somebody is using these battery based products. Okay, that kind of information to you, my friend, and see you in next movie.